Even the most skeptical scholars agree that one of the most certain events in all of history is the fact that Jesus of Nazareth died on a Roman cross under the orders of Pontius Pilate, beginning of the 4th decade of the 1st century. There are 1 billion people on this planet that do not believe that happened. Why do they believe it happened? Because half a millennium later, a man who called himself a prophet recited 40 Arabic words. Just 40 words.
وَقَالِهِمْ إِنَّا كَتَلْنَا الْمَسِيحَ عِيسَى بن مريم رسول الله وما قتلوه وما صلبوه ولكن شبه لهم وإن الذين اختلفوا فيه لفي شك منه ما لهم به من علم إلا اتباع الظن وما قتلوه يقينا.
40 Arabic words that stand between you and eternal life. 40 words that was written after the death, burial, and resurrection of Christ. 40 words written in a different language 700 miles away from the event by a man without any connection whatsoever to how it really went. 40 words never explained or expounded upon in the Quran, like Surah 355, Surah 1933. So what's really going on? 40 words that no follower of Muhammad could ever remember him mentioning or explaining 200 years after his death. 40 words, many interpretations, confusing, unclear, no depth. 40 words that keep you from seeing the beauty of Isaiah 53 and the testimony of the suffering servant who would bear punishment due to God's people, but you find that disturbing. 40 words that keep you from seeing Psalm 22 connecting with Mark 15:34. 40 words that keep you from the gospel of truth of our great and victorious Lord. 40 words that keep you from knowing that Jesus will save his people with great power and perfect holiness from their sins. So I hope he will cleanse you from all your evil. Again, Surah 355, Surah 1933, these ayat refers to Christ's death, so you might be misreading. Oh, these confusing words of Surah on Nisa. These are the 40 Arabic words translated. Now let's get into the 33 Greek words in response to what's been hated. 33 words that means life, salvation, peace, and forgiveness. 33 words more important to me than my own existence. 33 words every Christian confesses. 33 words that we shout with joy because of his perfection. 33 words that we take to our death, we speak to the world, and we can't ever reject. 33 words that we dearly embrace, look death in the face, and death run away. Without these 33 words, life doesn't matter at all. Because these 33 words catch men from the fall. 33 words only his sheep would hear. So hear these 33 words loud and clear, and look up to the sky because our redemption draws near. Jesus, the Messiah, King of creation, all-powerful being. Get it deep in your mind. He gave his life freely. I tell you in love, with truly no hatred. These are the 33 Greek words translated.
Christo sunestaromai, zode ukete ego, zede en emoi Christos, ade nun zo en sarki, en pistai zo te tu huiu tu theu, tu agape santasme, kai paradantas heautan, huper emu. And in reference to the Jews who said, "We killed the Messiah, Jesus, the son of Mary, the apostle of God," they did not kill him, nor did they crucify him, but it was made to appear to them. And indeed, those who differ in the matter are surely in doubt about it. They have no knowledge about it except following mere assumption. But of a certainty, they did not kill him. I have been crucified together with the Messiah. So it is no longer I who live, but the Messiah living in me. And this fleshly life I now live. I live by faith in the Son of God, the one who loved me and gave himself in my place.